is FDM. I have a scaled down version of the Polaris. Let's see, left, right, up, down. And the rudder is not responding, but that shouldn't be too big of a deal. All right, we'll put it on the ground and see how she goes. All right. Keep your eyes on the prize. Okay, rudder would be really helpful right now. All right, let's just really touchy. Really touchy. Whew. Maybe we can recover it. Not the best flight you'll get. Yep, sounds about right. Okay, controls are really touchy. And so on landing, it kind of turned over and landed down in the middle of the field over there. This pulled out. This servo stripped here in the middle that controls ailerons, completely stripped right here. This rudder servo never really did work, so and this isn't responsive, probably because the signal wire got cut by the prop. One of the difficulties of this design, the prop being so low. All right, that's it. It's FDM out.